Welcome dear students. Today I am going to teach you class 6 NCERT book lesson 10 mensuration exercise 10.3 question number 9. Question number 9 says 5 square flower beds each of side 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of remaining part of the land? So question is written on the board also. Question says, in question this says that we have 5 by 4 meter a piece of land of length 5 meter and 4 meter, and on this 5 square flower beds are the 5 beds like this of 1 meter square. Inside is 1 meter. Then we have to find the area of remaining part, this part, area other than the flower beds. So what is given? First we will write given side of flower beds 1 meter, number of square flower bed 5, then length of land 5 meter, breadth of land 4 meter. So you have to find the area of flower beds. Therefore you write area of each flower beds is equal to side into side. Since the square flower bed is in shape of a square, therefore area of 5 flower beds is equal to 5 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 meter square, 1 meter square, that is 5 meter square. Means you will find the area of 1 flower bed, then find the area of 5 flower bed, then find the area of land. Area of land is equal to L into B, that is 5 into 4 meter square, 20 meter square. From this you subtract the area of flower beds, you will get the area of remaining piece of land. Therefore area of remaining part of the land is equal to 20 meter square minus 5 meter square, that is 15 meter square. You will do like this. First you find the area of 1 flower bed, find the area of 5 flower beds, then find the area of land, and to find the area of remaining part of the land you will subtract the area of flower beds from the total area. You will get the area of remaining part. Now question number 10. 10a figure I have drawn on the board. By splitting the following figure into rectangles, find their area. We have to split this figure in rectangles, in shape of rectangle. Then we cannot find this area simply by one formula. So you have to split this into rectangles, then find the area. So you start splitting from this side. This is like this. All the side is given. This side is 4, 3, 3. This one from here to here it is 4. This one is not given. This is 2, this is 1, this is 3. So to find from here to here, this side is given 3, and from here to here it is 4. So from here to here it will be 1. If you are taking like this, 1, this one is 1, this one is 2, 2, 1, 3. From here to here, if you are taking from here to here, it is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So this side will be 4. So side, you take this first figure, this one you take second figure, this one third figure and fourth figure. I have taken 4 part. So area of first figure, area of first part is equal to length into breadth. Length is 4 into 2. All the lengths are in centimeters. So centimeter square, that is 8 centimeter square. Then second figure, in second figure we can see that this one is 2 and this one was 4. So this side will be 2. From here to here it is 2, and from this one, this side will be 3. So second figure area is 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeter square. Third figure area, this one, this is small one, this one is 2 and this one is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2 centimeter square. And last fourth area will be 4 3 12 centimeter square. Therefore area of figure is equal to, add the area of first plus second plus third plus fourth. Add the area of all the figures. You will get the area of the first whole figure, that is 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 12. 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 12. This is 12, 8, 20 and 6, 2, 8, 2 and 28 centimeter square. You will first, you can split the figure in your own way. As you want, you split it. जैसे आपको पसंद है वैसे आप तोड़ दीजिए. हम सर ऐसे तोड़े, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ऐसे ही तोड़िए. आपको मन है तो ऐसे भी तोड़ सकते हैं. इधर से ले लीजिए, इधर ले लीजिए, इधर ले लीजिए. जैसे तोड़ना है तोड़ के आप बना सकते हैं. मैंने ऐसे तोड़ा, आपको जैसे तोड़ना है आप तोड़ सकते हैं. सेकेंड फिगर के लिए हम बोर्ड रब करते हैं, फिर बनाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10B. Figure is given like this. Sides are given 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. You split like this. Simple way, I think it is to split like this. First figure, second figure, third figure. Length of first figure is 3, breadth is 1. Second figure, this one is 3. This side is from here to here it is 3. And this much is 2, so this will be 1. So length 3, breadth 1, and this figure length 3, breadth 1. So area of first figure, area of first part is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3 centimeter square. Second, like that only, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 centimeter square. Then third one, 3 into 1 is equal to 3 centimeter square. If you are adding this, you will get the area of figure, that is 9 centimeter square. So area of second figure you will get like this. I split the figure in 3 parts. First one is from here, I split it like this. Length is 3, breadth is 1. Second one, this length is 3 and this length is 3, so, and this one is 2. So if you are subtracting this part, you will get 1 centimeter. So area will be 3 into 1. This also area will be 3 into 1. Total area you will get. Question number 11 says, split the following shapes into rectangle and find their areas. 3 figures I have given. You have to split them same way as question number 10 and find the area. So we can do, first figure I can split from here. I am splitting from here. This one is the first part, this one is the second rectangle. So area of first part will be, area of first part you can see, this is the length 12 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. So 12 to 24 centimeter square. Area of second part, this part you can see, the length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. If you are adding both, therefore area of figure is equal to 24 plus 24 is equal to 48 centimeter square. Split them, then add them, you will get the area of whole part. Here also we can split like this, 1 part, 2 part, this one is first, this one is second, this one is third. First part we can see length and breadth is 7, 7. Second part, breadth is 7, but length will be 7 plus 7 plus 7. So length will be 21. And third part 7 into 7. So area of first part will be 7 into 7, that is 49. Area of second part, second part 21 into 7 centimeter square, you will write 147 square. Third part is 7 into 7, that is 49 centimeter square. Add them, you will get the area of all the part. First you split. This one is simple to split. So in this one, this is 7, this part was 7, 7. So length will be 21 centimeter, breadth 7. So you will multiply 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 147. So total area will be 9 2 18, 18 plus 7 25, 5, 2, 4 3 12, 13 14, 4, 1, 245 centimeter square. Third figure also you cut it into two parts, first part and second part. First part length is 5 and breadth is 1. Second part length is 4 and breadth is 1. So simple, first part area will be 5 into 1, that is 5 centimeter square, and second part will be 4 into 1, that is 4 centimeter square. Add them, 5 plus 4, 9 centimeter square. You will get the area. Now question number 12. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter? Length and breadth of the tiles is given 12 and 5 in centimeter respectively. Will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively given. First one in a 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter. So we have given you will write length of tiles is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth of tiles is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the area of one tile. One tile is equal to 12 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that is equal to 60 centimeter square. Now length of land is given, region. Length of land is 100 centimeter, breadth of land is equal to 144 centimeter. So area of land is equal to 100 into 144 centimeter square, like this. To find the number of tiles is equal to area of land by area of one tiles. This is the formula which we have not studied earlier. So please write this formula properly. Number of tiles or number of bricks is equal to area of land by area of one tiles. So now put the area of land. Area of land is equal to 100 into 144 centimeter square. Area of one tile was 60 centimeter square. Divided, centimeter divided, 0 cancelled. From 6 2 ja 12 and 6 4 ja 24, that is 240 tiles are needed. Like this in question number. This also we can write directly also. Length of tile is equal to 12 centimeter, breadth of one tile is equal to 5 centimeter, length of land is 70 centimeter, breadth of land is equal to 36 centimeter. Therefore, number of tiles is equal to area of land by area of one tiles. We can write it like this. Area of land is equal to L into B by L into B of tiles. Length of land is 70 into 36 by 12 into 5. 12 5 is 12 3 is 36, 5 14, 14 3 is 42 tiles. So we can solve like this also. Simply first you find the area of one tile, then find the area of plot, then to find the number of tiles, area of land should be divided by area of one tile, you will get the number of tiles. Or marvel anything, any question like this you can do like this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Very nice to discuss this problem with you. Now next we will start next new chapter. Thank you.